It's a beautiful morning here in lower Alabama. It's about 6 a.m. The sun is coming up over the horizon. The grocery row garden is cooler than it is during the middle of the day. The humidity is somewhere in the 85–86% range or something I read this morning. So it's sticky out, but the temperature is only about 75 degrees, so it's tolerable. The mosquitoes are out in force. I do have some repellent on, and it kind of keeps them down, and as long as I keep moving, it's not a big deal. But when I stop to talk to the camera, then they know it, and they try to get on my face, as you've probably seen in some of the other videos. But enough about the mosquitoes. I'm in the grocery row gardens. I've been posting a little bit on cleaning the system up and getting it back into vegetables and putting some cover crops in there. And today's the day that I hope to get a big chunk of that done. So I just wanted to film this at the beginning to say that, to encourage the future version of myself. Hopefully I'll look back at this footage and go, I did what I said I was going to do in the morning. I set a goal and I met that goal. But if I keep talking to the camera, I'm never going to meet any goals. So here's to a productive morning of work before it gets too hot. Let's go, Dave. You can do it. So this particular path of the grocery row garden is one of the more difficult ones to deal with. I can't just slash my way through here carefully. I have to be very careful, and I also have to do a lot of work because this mulberry is extremely vigorous. This is the ivory white mulberry. So I had to take this one out, down, back to reasonable height so we can grow vegetables again. And along here I have my shell apples on a wire, which actually needs some T-posts in here. If we can find the T-post hammer and put them in, that would be good. But they have some yams that have escaped and went around them and everything. So between this here and then having to be careful along here, I can't just easily go up to a few trunks and clear stuff out. There's a lot of little trunks here. Every 3 to 4 feet or so is a little apple all the way down this row. And then one big tree to cut out here, and then one more big tree to cut down there. That is the seedling nectarine that I absolutely butchered last year, and it has regrown massively. So that's the next one that I've got to thin out. And eventually we're going to make our way through here, but we've already got a ton more light than was in here between taking out a plum, not taking it out, but taking it down to summer pruning height, taking this one down to summer pruning height. It lets a lot of light in. I've got a dwarf mulberry over here that I'm just probably going to take it down completely, except it's making a pretty nice yam trellis right now, so I don't know if I'll leave it alone and harvest the yams or worry about it later. But if I can get through here, even just today before it gets too hot, it would be fantastic. No, the zinnias planted themselves. I planted zinnias in here last year, and they reseeded. So I've got zinnias all over the place now.
These pink ones are pretty.
This is the part where I'll just be cutting and suddenly wasps will pour out of this tree. You know? And I'll be, oh no! Sometimes that's happened. Usually not on camera. But I've been working on the bananas before and had wasps just come flying out and sting me. They like to build underneath the leaves of the bananas sometimes. This dwarf everbearing mulberry is coming out of here. This is about the most worthless mulberry that we've ever grown. It doesn't make very big fruit. It's ugly. It's not very productive, and it's not really everbearing. And I am done with it. And unfortunately, this is one of the most common mulberries you'll find sold around here. Something better can take its place. It's 9 o'clock, and this concludes our broadcast day. It's a pretty good start. Still got to do some sheet mulching in here. I've got some more trees that I've got to prune. I've got some branches to haul out of here. I got to stake up these little apple trees right here, but that feels good. Feels good, not bad for a couple hours work. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. Catch y'all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.
Sugar pie. Ooh, sugar pie. Ooh, sugar pie. Ooh, sugar pie.
Let's go, Dave. You can do it. You can do it, Dave. You're gonna do fine. It's gonna be great. You're gonna do a great job, Dave. All right, Dave. Boom. Let's go. Boom. Yeah, boom. That's right, champ.